Welcome to this training video where we're going to be showing a Microsoft Teams Rooms solution. In this video, we're going to show an overview of the hardware, followed by some of the functionality, including joining a call, sharing content, and managing your meetings. The solution we're going to be using today comprises of a touchscreen, an all-in-one speaker and microphone system, and a PTZ camera. Other configurations may have other types of hardware, including soundbars, wireless microphones, or all-in-one camera and microphone systems. To schedule a meeting, simply invite the room as you would a normal user. When you've done that, the meeting should appear on the calendar in the room. When you're ready to join the meeting, simply click Join on the touch panel, and you'll be straight into the meeting. If you wish to make an ad hoc call, simply click the call button and then start to type the address of the person you wish to call, followed by the call button, and you will immediately call that person. In order to share content, use the cable that's tethered to the touch display. This has HDMI, but also USB-C. Simply connect it to your laptop, and your content will be shared within a few seconds. If you're in a Teams meeting, this content will also be shared within that meeting. Wireless content sharing is achieved with either the WPP30 or WPP20 dongle. They look slightly different, but they function in the same way. To wirelessly share your content, simply connect either the WPP20 or WPP30 to your laptop via the USB port. Wait a few moments, and when the light starts flashing green, you're ready to press the button to share your content wirelessly. Note that by default, WPP20 or WPP30 will not play audio through wireless. If you wish to play audio, simply click More and then enable the checkbox Play Computer Sound. Also, the More option will allow you to share a single window or desktop display. During a meeting, you can adjust various aspects of the hardware, such as microphone mute, camera mute, and the volume up and down. To adjust the camera controls, press the three dots here, followed by Room Controls. And then the top option here, Camera Control, will let you adjust the pan, tilt, zoom functions of the camera. There's also a function called auto framing. Enabling this will frame all the participants in the room. This can be switched on and off as required. If you have a solution with dual displays, the window option in the bottom left will allow you to swap the screens, change to gallery view, amongst other options. To join a Zoom meeting through your Teams device, simply forward the Zoom meeting onto your Teams device. Note that your IT administrator may need to enable some of the options in the back end to achieve this. Simply click Join to join the Zoom meeting. When you're in the Zoom meeting, if you need to access the Zoom controls, use this checkbox in the corner, which allows the Zoom meeting to be displayed on the touch panel. You will then be able to use the touch panel to adjust the Zoom controls.